crest, and together they create a composite of a storm. And that is how we base our hurricane forecasting. And we've gotten pretty good at it. We've made vast improvements, especially over the last 15 years. So we use these technologies together to understand the internal structure and mechanisms of a hurricane. Without it, we would be back in the dark ages of forecasting, where a sudden intensification of a storm could wipe out Galveston, Texas. At the end of this month, the Department of Defense is decommissioning half of our low orbiting microwave satellites, and will no longer be sharing that data with NOAA or the National Weather Service. Half. Microwave data is incredibly important because of multiple reasons, but here are the two principal ones. First, visible light is not visible at nighttime, so those satellites that operate in the visible light spectrum can't track a storm overnight. Second is because microwave energy penetrates through the cloud tops, which allows us to see the internal structure. It helps us identify where the central low pressure point is, or the eye wall. It helps us see motion and movement in the hours of rapid intensification, and helps us better project rapid intensification where we think it might be happening. And they're decommissioning half of those at the end of July. Initially, they gave the National Hurricane Center 1 week to plan for this data to be cut off, but there was such outrage at the National Weather Service and Hurricane Center that they delayed it until the end of July.